What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card. This is my dream. The fastest way to this card is by educating people like you on credit. And today I want to talk about credit cards and credit limits. Just because you have a high credit limit, that's not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing. Why? Because it makes it harder for you to hit the 30% utilization factor, okay? In the beginning, you get small credit cards like $500 or maybe even $1,000. It's really easy to hit 30% on those cards because it's only a small amount of money. On $1,000, it's $300. If it's $500, it's only $150. When you have a $5,000, it's a lot harder to hit that $1,500 mark, or a $10,000 credit card, which is going to be $3,000. It's a lot harder to hit those numbers, and you should never be at those numbers unless you know you can pay those balances off in full at the end of the month or before your reporting date. Okay, when you first get a credit card, use it as much as possible, help drive up that credit limit. That way it makes it easier to manage and maintain later. And then once you get to that threshold, move on to the next card, rinse and repeat, and just do this until you can manage a nice credit portfolio with nice high limits, just keeping those balances always paid off at the end of the month and definitely in full so that you never pay interest. All right, any questions on that, let me know. Any other topics, put some comments below. I'll catch up with you in the next video.